Today we're going to rethink Housewrap. Alright, so we've got 3 steps of a process that we've identified. We have wall sheathing, and then we have Housewrap, and then we have tape and flashing systems that are involved with the typical scenario to get your wall sheathed and protected with what's called a WRB. That's going to be a weather-resistant barrier or a water-resistant barrier, depending on who you're talking to. And that's your typical scenario. 1, 2, 3 steps. So what we did is we stepped back. We said, look, we're in 2015, and we're supposed to be having hoverboards and stuff like this. I believe Lexus just started making a hoverboard. And anyway, we wanted to start doing stuff better and cooler and use technology. And so what we did is decided that we took those 3 steps and we turned them into 2. And then we actually made it better. So we have our sheathing here, the green board you see, and it, rather than have a separate Housewrap that is applied afterwards, it actually has the Housewrap pre-adhered to this OSB material. The OSB material is made by Huber, and it is a very densified, very water-resistant OSB that has some ability to seal around fasteners that penetrate through it with humidity, which we really like. And we've been using the Advantech floor decking and roof decking for some time, and so this just makes a lot of sense to use this material. And again, it's got this super cool WRB, also ARB, in this case it's going to be air resistant barrier, that's already applied to it. So we're like, sweet, easy, done deal, let's do it. And then we want to go ahead and do step 2. We've got our white stuff. This is Tyvek's fluid applied. And it actually can be a standalone Housewrap on its own. You can apply this white stuff to the whole wall here, and we've done it on some other projects, and it does a great job. But here we didn't really need to do it everywhere, but we did do it in all the critical points, which are our joints, our seams, anywhere we have a penetration. You can see we've got some of these done. We're still coming back to finish up a few that got punched out late. And then one of the other really cool added benefits is you actually can seal to a concrete foundation with this stuff. So now, rather than just have the water-resistant barrier that a lot of Housewrap gives you, you now have an air-resistant barrier too, which I really like and makes a lot of sense. And when you're talking about efficiency and cost savings and having a really high-performing home that's a green home, well, that's what you need. You need a top-of-the-line ARB, a top-of-the-line air-resistant barrier. And so we've achieved that here. And we've done it in a very efficient manner. We've taken a process that already has to be completed in putting wall sheathing up, and then we have used the top-of-the-line fluid applied product, in my opinion, to go ahead and coat all of our joints and seams. The reason I feel this is the top-of-the-line fluid applied product is because it is a moisture cured product from DuPont, one of the largest, most reputable companies around, and it is not going to shrink on you at all. It has no solvents in it. It's a modified polyether, so it actually uses the humidity in the air to dry and cure, and I just really like that. So if you put it on at 25 mils, it stays on at 25 mils. It's not shrinking, it's not going anywhere. So yeah, we've taken that 3-step process, we've turned it into 2, we've reduced time, we've reduced labor, and we've just used better products all the way around to achieve a healthier, more high efficiency, high performing home. And to us, it makes a lot of sense. Adios, amigos.